In this video we'll learn about inheritance. So inheritance is a process of inheriting all the properties of a base class to the child class. So base class is also known as parent class. So I'm going to define a new method name function. So this will be our parent class. Okay, so let's put it as function1, and then we'll print here this is parent class. So now I'm going to create a new class, class 2. So this will be our child class, so it will be inheriting from class 1. Okay, so we'll put class 1 as the argument. Let's make a new method here, function 2. Okay, self as the argument. So here we'll be printing this is child class. Okay, so let's make an object equals, so we'll be calling class 2. Okay, and from this object we'll be calling class 1. Okay, function1, and let's call object dot function 2. So when we run it, so it is printing this is parent class and this is child class. So this is accessing from the parent class. Okay, so now let's create a new class bird. So in this bird class we will see the use of inheritance. So let's use the init method, self will be the argument. Okay, so I am going to print here bird is ready. Let's define a new method. So who is this, self will be the argument. So we'll print this is a bird. So let's define a new method swim, self will be the argument. So let's print swim faster. Okay, so now we will be making a new class which will be inheriting from the bird. So let's name this as class penguin, and we'll put bird as the argument. Okay, so now let's define init here. So here we'll be using the super function. Okay, init let's put self as the argument. So we'll call the super function super dot, we'll put here dot init, and then we'll just print penguin is ready. Print penguin is ready. Now we'll use a new method named who is this, self will be the argument. Okay, so let's print here penguin. Now let's define a new method named run, self will be the argument. Okay, so we'll print here run faster. So now we'll create an object. So let's name the object name as Pingu. So Pingu is a penguin. Okay, equals penguin. So from this Pingu we'll be using who's this, Pingu dot who is this. Okay, let's make Pingu dot swim. Okay, so this is from the parent class. So let's access the run also. Okay, so now let's run it. So you can see here bird is ready.